Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change reminder as well as the inspection service on a 2025 Atlas. So you want to, after you do the oil change, you start the car and let it get to this screen here. You're going to press the over button. Now, if you don't have this travel distance and time up here on the screen, you may have to come in to settings. So I'm clicking these buttons here until I get to settings. And then I will turn on distance and time. So if this is off like that, you won't be able to get to the menu. So you have to turn it on like that, and then you can come back over and then go back in. So you come back in here. Once you get on travel distance and time, you're gonna press over. From here, you'll press and hold the over button for about 5 to 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release. There you go for your services. So I'll reset the inspection service, press OK. Okay again, and then I can come back in again, same thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Then oil change service. Reset oil change service. Okay. And then you're good there. All right, I hope you found this video helpful, and hope you have a great day.